Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Samsung Galaxy M14. So to start, open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So we have to open it. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to add the permissions to the files and to the camera. It's necessary. Okay, and now we have to add a document. So to choose the source, click on the plus and choose one of them. I'm going to pick something from your gallery, like this one. You can also select more than one photo, of course. If you're ready, click import, add just a shape to your document. If you're ready, click arrow and choose the filter now for your document to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country from the list. Optionally, you can give a small note here. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on this little plus. If you want to send only this one, just buy your credits, click on this big button, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and goodbye.